This is at the very front of the farm on the outside. Normally this is a gently running stream, and as you can see now it's really all just dumping. We got it going that way, and this is the road from my farm. It's just flowing like no other. And here comes Luna, so I better watch out so she doesn't get washed away.